A bill establishing a statewide notification system passed the legislature and the governor signed it into law back in the spring. But before the legislature could establish funding for this, they had to go home because of COVID. Jim Coker, the EMA director here in Jefferson County, as well as the president of the Alabama Association of Emergency Managers, says that this was a big win for Alabama to pass a bill like this. Now, this is a bill that would establish a statewide emergency alert system very similar to what Jefferson County already has with the Everbridge alerts. This is a system that sends texts, calls, or emails during severe weather. It also alerts people during emergencies like a hazmat situation or an active shooter. Coker says that there are so many counties in Alabama that could really benefit from a statewide emergency alert system.
There are many of our counties in the state who are typically targets of bad weather, and they do not have this capability. So, on the state side of it, it's incredibly important to be able to notify everyone that your life's in danger.
So these statewide emergency alerts delayed for now, but Coker is hopeful that when the legislature reconvenes in February, they'll revisit this bill and the funding for it.